Want to win 80,000 PLARs in prizes? One mission, build with Trae AI. The Zero Limits Hackathon is here, and it's not your typical dev event. Trae AI isn't just another tool, it's your co-pilot, an AI IDE that codes, builds, and thinks with you. With GPT 4.0, Claude 3.5, and custom agents under the hood, it feels like magic for devs who want to move fast and ship real things. Hack solo or with your crew. Launch web apps, AI tools, full-stack dreams, anything that lives in code or design. Trae's got built-in chat, CodeGen, and even a visual site builder, all wired into one sleek dev experience. This isn't just about code. It's about creating something that matters. Winning big. Showing the world what you've got. No limits, no excuses. Just you, your idea, and the fastest AI build tool out there. Download Trae AI. Join the hackathon. Let's build the future. Check out link on description.